Hello guys, welcome back to CryptoBox channel. It has been such an amazing journey and thank you guys for always visiting my channel. Thank you, I really appreciate and I have the accolades to give you guys. Without wasting much of your time guys, I brought to you today another very interesting airdrop that is coming to Linea ecosystem. Just like I said, the current trend now is linear because of the mainnet, so most of the projects are rushing to launch their token or linear. So this is causing for the linear TVL to increase, and the money flowing into linear has like it has continuously been increasing since the launch of the mainnet. So guys, you wouldn't want to miss anything in this Linea Mainnet, because when you're doing all the airdrops for the token coming to Linea, you're still getting eligible to still get Linea airdrop. So this is still increasing your transactions in Linea. So please guys, without wasting much time, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification so that you always be the first to get our updates whenever we post any new airdrop. So guys, today I'm gonna be I'm gonna be showing you how to do the Peko protocol. So the Peko protocol is another airdrop coming on Linea, and they confirmed their airdrop. This airdrop I'm showing you will be ending tomorrow, which is 26th. I'm sorry I'm posting it late, but you still early and you can still do it. It's ending on the 26th, so you can still do it, and the distribution comes on August. So you're still early and you can get it done. It's not hard, it's not difficult for you to do. So guys, let's dive into what you have today so that we can get it done immediately. So the first thing you need to do is to visit Peko protocol. I'm going to paste the link on my description so that you can just click it easily. So when you visit, you click on connect wallet. Oh guys, hold on, I don't know what's wrong with my wallet, just hold on. Okay, so let me connect my MetaMask. Connect your wallet. Okay, so you need to switch your network, because this is happening on the Linea Mainnet, so we need to go to the Linea ecosystem, so the Linea testnet. And for you to get this done, you need to have the Linea it in your wallet for you to get it done. So if you don't have Linea it, you can simply buy Goeli it, then you swap it to Linea, or you can get from Linea faucet. So click on Ethereum. Now we need to deposit Ethereum to the Linea ecosystem. We need to deposit. Now let me deposit 118. Deposit. Confirm. So guys, we're waiting for it to deposit so that we can go to other tax immediately. So guys, it has deposited. So one thing here is the transaction normally takes time. It can take up to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. But if you want your transaction to be faster, you should go over to your MetaMask and speed up the transaction. It will help you to move very fast. But it costs more. So guys, the next thing we are going to do now is to withdraw, because what they want us to do majorly is to use their ecosystem, to use their exchange, the DEX, to deposit, withdraw, borrow, and repay. It will run in both testnet and mainnet, but the mainnet is still coming. For this one, it's still testnet. So let's go, guys. So let's withdraw 0.2 back to our wallet. Confirm. Okay, so you want the transaction to go fast, just head over to your MetaMask, click on speed up, you submit. Failed. Let's try again, guys. Failed again, guys. Let's check what the issue is. Okay, guys, I don't know what's wrong with your DEX. Withdraw is not working, so let's go over to borrow now. Okay, guys, I think okay, the borrow, let's see how much we are borrowing. Let's borrow 25%. Now you click on borrow. We are gonna try the withdraw later, but let's just try out other ones so that we won't be stuck here doing only the withdraw. Now you click on confirm. Remember, you want your fast transaction, you speed up your transaction. So let's speed up.